Welcome to the Kiosk Office Suite by Advanced Kiosks, an all-in-one solution designed to streamline office operations for law enforcement agencies. In this demonstration, we'll be showcasing the system on our document kiosk, one of our most widely used and versatile models. Kiosk presence detection and camera. As the user approaches, the kiosk's built-in camera detects their presence and automatically activates the interface. A welcome video begins playing, greeting the visitor and offering a brief introduction with clear instructions to get started. All of these features, including welcome messaging, video timing, and detection sensitivity, are configured during onboarding, ensuring a tailored experience that fits each department's needs. Let's see it in action.
Hello, and welcome to the Springfield Police Department. You can use this kiosk to get a lot done all on your own. Tap Make a Payment for things like parking tickets or background checks. Tap Forms and Applications to fill out documents such as permits to carry. Or tap File a police report, and so on. For your security, this kiosk uses FaceLock session security to pause your session if you step away, protecting your personal and payment information. If you need assistance, please call the front desk with this button. Simply tap a button to get started. You'll see more helpful videos like this along the way.
FaceLock. In this segment, we'll highlight several powerful Zamok features, including FaceLock, Voice over IP, informational pop-ups, and the eForms Assistant, designed to help users complete and submit complex forms electronically in a clean, data-accessible PDF format. Here, the user decides to apply for a permit. FaceLock activates instantly to protect the user's privacy and secure their session. Once verified, the system continuously monitors user presence using the kiosk's built-in camera. If the user turns away, a warning appears and a countdown begins. Should the user return in time, the session resumes seamlessly with all data intact. If not, the system automatically clears all session data and resets to the home screen, ensuring privacy and security. Timer settings and other FaceLock behaviors can be fully customized in the Zamok admin portal. These configurations are reviewed and tailored during the customer onboarding process. As the user moves through the form, notice how the eForms Assistant transforms complex PDFs into easy-to-follow questions and clear instructions, significantly streamlining the completion process. Users benefit from intuitive features such as a progress bar, required fields, real-time validations, helpful placeholders, and a convenient digital signature field. Once completed, the form is seamlessly delivered via email to the designated recipient, containing both the structured data and a professionally formatted, legally binding PDF document. If the user has a question at any point during their kiosk session, even in the middle of filling out a form, help is just a phone call away. The built-in handset can be configured with specific phone numbers or extensions. In this example, the user has a question about their form. With a single tap, they're instantly connected to a help desk administrator who can guide them through the process in real time. Kiosk administrators can fully customize the call directory and routing using the Zamok admin portal, ensuring users are connected to the right support staff when they need it most. To support form submissions, users can easily scan documents using the kiosk's integrated scanner. While Advanced Kiosks offers a variety of scanning options across our product line, only the document kiosk includes a secure, built-in flatbed scanner, specifically designed for high-risk environments such as police stations and government facilities. It's capable of handling IDs, passports, and documents of various sizes and conditions. In this example, the user selects Scan and Print. Helpful instructional pop-ups appear to guide them through each step. These pop-ups are fully customizable in the Zamok admin portal and can be assigned to any button or user action within the interface. Users can choose where their scanned document should be sent, selecting recipients directly through the kiosk, and even print a hard copy for hand delivery if needed. In this example, the user chooses to pay a parking ticket using a credit card. Again, FaceLock activates immediately to protect the session. After entering ticket details, the user proceeds to the integrated card reader, which automatically populates the necessary payment fields for convenience. Once submitted, a receipt is printed on the spot, confirming the successful transaction. Payment processing and other services can also be handled via secure third-party websites. Users access only approved sites through a clearly defined whitelist, which is managed by the kiosk administrator in the Zamok admin portal. Here, we see the admin adding sites to the list using the admin portal. The kiosk software enforces strict website lockdown, ensuring users cannot access unauthorized content. If an attempt is made to navigate outside the approved list, the kiosk displays a security warning and blocks access, protecting the integrity of the session and the network. Zamok offers full customization to meet the specific needs of any organization. The interface, buttons, and workflows are all managed through the Zamok admin portal, allowing kiosk administrators to tailor every aspect of the experience. Here, for example, users can access a community calendar, submit job applications, browse approved external websites, or sign up for newsletters, all directly from the kiosk. Remote kiosk management tools for software updates, usage monitoring, and troubleshooting without needing to be on site. Weekly reports and statistics that provide insight into kiosk usage, service demand, and system health. Multilingual support, allowing users to instantly switch between multiple languages, such as English, Spanish, or French, ensuring accessibility and clarity for all users. Advanced Kiosks' flexible platform ensures seamless integration with your existing systems, creating a truly customized, secure, and user-friendly self-service experience. Thank you for watching our demonstration of the Kiosk Office Suite. For more information, please call 603-865-1000 or visit advancedkiosks.com.